Here in MarineMax, Quincy, Massachusetts. And today we're going to take you over the 2019 Sailfish 325 dual console. Starting in the aft, this boat has the brand new Mercury 300 Dorados. Those are V8s. This boat does have a ski pylon that pops out of here. This boat has a freshwater shower in it. This boat has an abundance of seating, as you can see, both in the aft there, as well as on the port side, and another one facing aft here. These do all fold away. On the starboard side, you'll see you've got a nice prep station here, 3 stainless steel drawers, and then an isotherm stainless steel refrigerator. You'll notice there's plenty of storage in this boat. Corian countertops. There's an abundance of storage here inside of the deck for fish rods. On the port side, this boat has a Tecna vacuum flush toilet, Corian countertops, and a freshwater sink. At the helm here, you'll notice there's a double width seat. Both have its own bolsters. At the helm, this boat has a 10-inch Garmin touchscreen chop plotter fish finder, as well as your Mercury Smartcraft, and digital throttle and shifts, and a Fusion radio system. Very nicely finished, as you can see, with a nice big windshield, so you are protected. And there is an enclosure that goes from the hard top to the top of the windshield. Moving forward, you do have a door, so if you want to shut yourself, you can shut this door. You can then go ahead and shut the windshield, and you can see you are completely protected from the elements. There is also a ton of storage underneath the helm here, you'll see. And then there's also another great storage area here with plenty of shelves and storage as well. Here in the bow, you'll notice this boat is super deep. It is a very dry boat, and you've got plenty of room up here for 3 adults. And you also have plenty of storage underneath both of these seats. These are all insulated, and these are all drained, so these will stay very dry. In the bow of the boat, this boat does have a through-hull anchor windlass system. Very nicely finished, low-profile LMR anchor windlass. You can control this with the controller from here, or of course back at the helm. Again, today we're here on the 2019 325 Sailfish dual console. This boat is at our Quincy, Massachusetts location. Any more questions, please feel free to call me at 401-569-3874. Thanks again.